Okay, y'all, we've been getting a ton of rain over the last
please, no,
month,
no,
and it's been ridiculously wet and hot, and that equals fungus. If your yard is turning yellow, especially you St. Augustine guys, the yard is turning yellow. I need you to do this pronto. And I'm not meaning necessarily yellow, maybe that lime greenish. Chances are, more than likely, that you're dealing with a fungus. Any fertilizer that you guys have put out is pretty much just gone. It's all washed away, no matter when you put it out there with the amount of rain that we've had. Don't run out there and put more on it because it could heighten your fungus problem. I'm starting to see fungal disease in my lawn as well, and this is kind of what it looks like. And before a lot of other grasses gets to that state, it will give you an indication with the lime green. So get out there. I want you to pick up some Bio Advanced total fungus control, and Disease X fungicides. For my people who are in the know already, that's basically azoxystrobin and propiconazole. This is what it looks like. This is azoxystrobin. It's a group 11 fungicide, and this is propiconazole, group 3 fungicide. You're going to need that. You're going to need it. A few years ago, we had a lot of rain, but it was in April of one year, I remember, a couple years ago, and then a lot of the lawns didn't come out of dormancy, it seemed, but a lot of the lawns died. And I got a lot of questions. A lot of people were posting around their lawn looked like it died, and that's because of the fungus. I'm showing you to show you this. Your grass does not always need fertilizer when it's brown or not the color that you want. Sometimes your issue can be an insecticide or insects, or it could be a fungus. Those two also can affect the color of your grass, and it's a necessary evil, especially when you use synthetic fertilizers. So after you go and get the Bio Advanced and the fungus control or the Disease X, when you go and get that, also let's take it a step further. I know you guys probably not going to want to go and buy one of these, but this is what I put my compost in. You need to go out and put some peat moss on your lawn, or some black cow manure compost, or just plain old compost if you have access to it. The compost is going to add more beneficial microbes to the lawn. You know, I already tell you all the time, hey, try to go with some more organic fertilizers than synthetics, but this is going to be one of the problems that you're going to come into when you use so much synthetic fertilizers, that you're not going to be able to battle the fungus. Your grass is not going to be able to battle the fungus all on its own. You're going to really have to help it. And the next thing I would say is stop using fertilizers at this point. Don't put any more fertilizers. I know you want it to be green, but it's not going to, it's going to heighten the fungus issue that you probably have instead of fixing the color. That's what the black cow is going to do for you. That's what the compost is going to do, is help you get that. That's going to be your fertilizer. So get out there, get ahead of it, because especially with St. Augustine, there's a disease called take all root rot, TARR. Some people just call it tar. That is a devastating disease that will wipe out your St. Augustine grass if you don't treat it. So get out there, get the fungus control. I'll try to put some links, or you can check my Amazon store. I have everything in there. Pick up that. Let's get it out so you can save your lawn.